let's get into what is called percentages. So what do you understand by percentages? Says something like someone scores 55 out of say 100 marks. So what is his percentage? Your percentage is nothing but 55 by 100 times of that 100. That's what we learn, right? So that's equivalent to 55%. Or another way of looking at it is, say, let's assume you score 50 out of say, let me change the number. You get 60 out of say 80 marks. Your exam is for the maximum marks of 80 and you scored 60. So what is the percentage you got? The percentage is nothing but 60 upon 80 into 100. But what does that actually mean? So how much is it for every 100? Say, for example, here 60 upon 80 into 100 is what you calculate as a percentage. But what does this actually mean? What it means is, say, for example, you got 60 marks if it is 80. What you would have got if it is 100? Right? So basically, your 60 upon 80 into 100 is 75%. So basically, what it means is, if you got 60 marks for 80 marks, what if the maximum marks were to be 100? What if it is 100? How much you would have got? So if you do the math here, how do you do this math? You basically do it as 100 into 60 divided by 80, right? This into this divided by 80. So that's exactly what you got now. 60 upon 80 into 100, which is 75%. So percentage means what is that you get for every 100? That's the meaning of percentage. Does that make sense to you? If yes, say yes. Now I need you to understand what percentage means for every 100. That's what the meaning is, right? So if someone asks you to calculate, say 22% of say 22% of say 150. How do you calculate 22% of 150? You say 22% of 150 is nothing but 22 by 100 of 150. That's how you calculate, because he's asking you to calculate 22%. So that means you get 22 for every 100. So you're calculating 22 by 100 times of 150. So what is the value? How much are you getting? 22% of 150? Very good. 33. It's not 33%. Ronak, you don't use the word percentage there. He's asking you to calculate the value.